Hello, everybody. Welcome to 5 a.m. English Teacher. So today let's explore all about singular, plural, and collective nouns. So let's go by 5 a.m. English loop. Okay, now let's go. Regular nouns, add s. Let's go. Car, cars. Car, cars. Lamborghini, so beautiful. Dog, dogs. Dog, dogs. Cute. Book, books. Book, books. Apple, apples. Apple, apples. Now, ends in S, CH, SH, X, or Z. Now let's add ES. Okay. Bus, buses. Bus, buses. Match, matches. Match, matches. Dish, dishes. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Box, boxes. Quiz, quizzes. Quiz, quizzes. Now ends in F or FE. Now you should remove F or FE and add VES. Let's see how it works. So leaf, leaves. Leaf, leaves. Did you get it? Oh my God, these are so cute. Wolf, wolves. Wolf, wolves. See, they are even blushing a little bit. Life, lives. Life, lives. Knife, knives. Knife, knives. Now there's an exception, that is roof, roofs. Roof, roofs. Cliff, cliffs. Cliff, cliffs. Now ends in vowel plus Y. Add S. Let's go. Day, days. Day, days. Key, keys. Key, keys. Boy, boys. Boy, boys. Guy, guys. Guy, guys. Donkey, donkeys. Donkey, donkeys. Gosh, I love every animals. Ends in consonant. Remove Y and just add IES. Let's see. City, cities. City, cities. Baby, babies. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Story, stories. Party, parties. Party, parties. Country, countries. Country, countries. Now irregular nouns. Child, children. Child, children. Man, men. Man, men. Foot, feet. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth, tooth, teeth. Mouse, cute. Mouse, mice. Mouse, mice. I'm kind of scared of mice. I mean, like too much. Yeah, I'm kind of scared of these mouse, but they are cute. I can. I can. What do I say? Take one as my pet. No problem. Person, people, person, people. Ends with vowel plus O. Add S. Zoo, zoos. Zoo, zoos. I could bet none of these animals would be happy. Who want to be locked inside a cage? Radio, radios. Radio, radios. Stereo, stereos. Stereo, stereos. Video, videos. Video, videos. Kangaroo, kangaroos. Kangaroo, kangaroos. Yep, I will adopt one as my child. End in consonant plus O. Add ES. Hero, heroes. Hero, heroes. These are triplets. Echo, echoes. Echo, echoes. I'm recording. Echo, echoes. Echo, echoes. Sorry, guys, my sister. Tomato, tomatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Oh my God, I can't stop laughing. Oh, he's cute. Potato, potatoes. Potato, potatoes. Exceptions. Piano, pianos. Piano, pianos. Photo, photos. Photo, photos. No change. Let's see that. Sheep, 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 sheep. I have no idea why am I giving so much voice modulation. Deer, 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 deer. Fish, 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 fish. Series, 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 series. Species, 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 species. Why am I? Collective noun. A collective noun is a special kind of noun that refers to a group of people, animals, or things as a single unit. So basically what that means is so what does that mean is you are referring a group of people as a one unit. You will understand when I go to the examples. So see, this is so many people. This is people. Okay, people is plural. These are people, but we make them as one. So that is team, like flock. These are individual birds came together as a group called flock. Team, flock. Bunch, family, bunch, family. These two are different. There is no connection. Class, herd. Class, herd. Herd. I think I've stopped telling that. I have to be like crowd, crowd. Gosh, they are cute. Back, back. Yeah, I should say like that. Oh my God, they are so cute. Pear, pear. Forest, forest. Thank you for watching. That's it, everybody. Hope you have a lot of fun. Comment down how you felt it. Bye bye. See you in next. Bye bye.